How are we, YouTube? George here, Irish Custom Radios. Hope you're all well. So, I kind of started into this one before picking up the camera. So, this is Shaun's Stalker 9 FDX. This came all the way from Thailand. Now, when I looked into it, it was acting a bit weird that it was only working on UK FM. And I opened it up and someone had wired it that way on the switches up here, that no matter what way the switches were, it would only work on UK FM. So we fixed that. So we have everything now. Low, high, UK FM. That switch is a bit dicky, so I'm going to replace that switch because it's a bit gammy. I have some there anyway, so not a problem. Now, what we're going to do with this is we are going to go fully through it, and he wants it recapped. He sent me the caps and everything, so we shall probably start with that, and we'll see where we go from there. So we had to I've never seen that before now, where someone would have felt the need to do that, but look, nothing surprises me anymore with what you find inside these radios. So what else does he want done here? Just looking at me. There we go. Let's see. Okay, he wants it. Okay, use the caps. Grand. So he has plenty done that you want. Quite a nice bezel on this radio. It's in very good nick. I would give that an 8 out of 10. Once it's polished up, it'll look well. There's a couple of scrapes on the bottom of it, but you expect that after a while. So the usual full service alignment, and I think he wants the light and green in this now, if memory serves me right. I'll have to look at the email again, but I'm pretty sure that's what he said. So anyway, enough waffle, let's get on with it. So, some considerable time later, we're back, and she's all recapped from start to finish. There's all the old grey Elna caps that came out of there. Are they Elna? Oh, they're YECs. Getting confused with the vintage audio stuff now. They're always grey Elna. So all out, all changed. It's been tuned. Received, transmit, synad, signal to noise ratio, everything done. I made myself up a batch of leads for this thing to use it for its true potential. The signal generator seems to have stopped working in it, but everything else is okay. But I have this, so no big deal. And I suppose it's kind of encouraged me to use the other stuff on it. So there you go. Anyhow, coming along now, and we'll just get all the other stuff done now, all the bells and whistles, and we'll be good to go. Right, so I picked up the camera for the first time in a while. So what's going on here, I have the channel display changed and a couple of layers of the filter material. That looks insanely bright. It's not that bright in reality, and believe it or not, they have been tamed down. So these are green as well. And then we have our transmit, and that's now 10k jump. 1 2 1 2. There we go, this way. 1 2 1 2. So I'm up 10k Cs. And the high and low is normal, the UK is normal. So decal ordered. that's pretty much it. The meter is ready to go. I just have to do up the wires for the lights, and these are for the backlit switches. A little bit harder to do them on a Stalker than it is to do on a Cobra, but you don't have as much space to play with. But there we go. So we are getting there, and I'll see you in the second part. So 73, and take care. Bye bye.